Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. First of all, big news, 1,000 subscribers. Woo! I could not be more thrilled. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and watched and commented and shared. I appreciate all of you so much. This has been so much fun so far and I cannot wait to do more. In the meantime, I want to have a big-ass In the meantime, I want to have a big giveaway to celebrate the 1,000 subscriber mark, because that's a big effing deal. And I'm really excited about it. And here's what I thought of for 3 prizes I want to give away. There will be, 3 winners, 1 winner for each prize. And in no particular order, these are the 3 prizes I would like to give out. For 1 lucky winner, I have a box of the 10 iridescent color paints from Arteza. This is 10 different colors, and that means they change colors on different backgrounds, and each bottle is 2 ounces of paint. You can mix them with Floetrol and use them as pouring paints. You can use them out of the bottle as is to paint on things. I painted on cups with these. Other people obviously paint on canvases. You can paint on pretty much anything that will take paint. And they are beautiful, beautiful colors. So that would be 1 prize for 1 lucky winner. The next prize will be either one, winner's choice, of one of these blue tumblers I made. These are 20-ounce skinny tumblers I made in 2 different videos. I will link to those videos below if you haven't seen them so you can see how these were made. Winner gets to pick whichever one you want. I can add a decal with a saying or your name or anything you like after the fact. But it'll be winner's choice, one of these 2. And then the 3rd prize for the 3rd lucky winner will be the March box from Resin More. This is the February box that we're about to open and look at. But the March box won't be shipped until the very last day of February or the first day of March. There's a range, but it won't be for another month yet, basically. So the winner will notify me of their name and address. I will get that information to the Resin More people, and they will ship the box directly to you when all the March boxes are shipped out. So that will be slightly delayed, but then we'll be able to look at the March box together, maybe, hopefully, on a future video. So those are the 3 prizes. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible for an entry, 1 entry per person. Each entry requires that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you comment below on this video. No other video comments will count. It needs to be this video. So subscribe if you haven't already, and then leave a comment below. Leave a comment about maybe what your favorite video is from this channel that you watched so far. Anything like that. That would be great. But one entry per person for a subscription and a comment combined. I think that's it. Oh no, one other rule. I'm only for now going to be able to offer this to residents of the United States. I am not at this point prepared to ship overseas. I hope to in a later giveaway. We'll do something much broader and include all of our international viewers. But for right now, I'm afraid this has to be US only. Please subscribe and comment below, and let's get on with the unboxing. This is the February Resin More box. Here we go. I obviously haven't looked in here. Oh, that's right. She tapes them all over. Haven't looked in here yet, so you're gonna be seeing this with me for the first time. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Ah, yes. This was predicted by a fellow YouTuber. Okay, we have Mica from Let's Resin. We have glitter. The Glitter Company. We have glitter from the Glitter Company. We have resin from DIY Epoxy. Alrighty, let's get to it. So here's our our epoxy. It looks like we got two. This is the premium box. I did not get the regular box this time. I believe March is only a regular box, and I will list below a link to Resin More so you can see in general what their boxes are all about. And also I will list below a general list of what comes in every month's box. So you'll see, this is weird. There is very, very, very little resin in these bottles. So, wow. Very little resin in each one. And no indication of the quantity or volume measurement. It's like each one is not even half full. Very interesting. Okay. I don't know how much help that's going to be. We have another raffle ticket. The last month's raffle ticket from the January box has not, as far as I know, been announced yet for whatever it wins for somebody. I think there'll be more information about that this month, but I don't know. So I will just put that aside and keep it. Resin More, thank you for supporting small business, and our scratch-off ticket. Those are wonderful, so I'll keep that. Okay, some micas. From Let's Resin, we have light blue and dark magenta. Again, not sure how visible that is. The dark magenta is, I would be hard pressed to tell it's magenta in this little plastic case. It just looks dark. This is, oh, this is Final Sand. This is a sample of Final Sand. Jessica Flynn uses this a lot, as do a lot of people, but she uses it almost every video of hers in the Flynn Sisters boutique videos. She uses these to make matte tumblers once you've got your final layer of epoxy on. She also uses them in the beginning to prep each tumbler instead of using sandpaper. She uses this because it washes and sands the cup to prep it all at the same time. So that's kind of cool. I've never tried that. Here we have some beautiful dried flowers we can put in maybe a coaster or something. Oh, looks like we have some leaky glitter that is now all over the outside of my little silicone measuring cup here. And we have some medicine cups. Cool. From the glitter company, we have Malibu. That's very pretty. Pink chunky. Oh, look, more fairy lights. Yay. I still have some from past packages. This is Opal Hearts. And there are, I think, yes, there are little pink hearts in here as well as opalescent glitter. Okay, so we have our deep love sign. I guess this would be art piece. It can stand on its own when it's done. It's thick enough. And I suspect the idea is we put the fairy lights in here like we did with the Merry Xmas mold at Christmas time. And then we have a beautiful big heart mold. That's lovely. That can either be a small display plate or a very large coaster. That's really pretty. Don't have that. We have a silicone tool. You know how much I love these, so that's wonderful. Oh, more glitter. Oh, look at the pretty holographic hearts with heart cutouts in the middle of each one. Those are snazzy. I can get a close up here. Very pretty. Okay. Let's just get all our glitters and micas out. Oh, look, more fairy lights. Okay. Here are two more glitters from Let's Resin. Or micas, I'm sorry. Two more micas. Whoa, Nelly. So orange and green, and they called them orange and green. Wow, look at that. Okay, again, my camp colors. So we have orange and green and dark magenta and light blue. There's a very pretty selection. More glitter. This is Lucky in Love. So I'm guessing, yeah, little hearts, little red heart chunkies in here, plus fine red glitter. And the pink, Pretty in Pink, so this is a fine don't think it's holographic, so maybe a fine iridescent. It's got extra sparkle to it, but it doesn't look holographic. Let's see how well that comes through. Okay. And lastly, we have cupcake sprinkles. Well, those are cute. Who doesn't like cupcake sprinkles, right? Okay, and a little stir spoon. And, oh, another mold, I'm thinking. Oh, how nice. I do not have this mold. These are pretty little hearts. And just today on a video, somebody asked me, what do you do with the small stuff once you've made it? I would say in the case of this, these could get glued onto other objects, like a big tray, maybe in a couple corners of a big tray that you want to use, but you know, for an embellishment. You could put a big magnet on the back and make them a beautiful fridge magnet. You could use them in a painting on a canvas. And you don't necessarily, once you use it with resin, you're not going to take it in the kitchen and use it for food, but you could conceivably not use this for resin work at all and just use it for chocolate, for example. This would make beautiful, shiny chocolate hearts if you wanted to use it for food purposes only and not do resin with it. So that's very nice. Oh, another mold. This is a picture frame, I'll betcha. Picture frame mold. So I will have to figure out how we operate this thing. Clearly the resin goes in here. I don't know. I'll have to think about this one, how that would best be used. If somebody has a suggestion, please comment below if you've used this mold. Tell me what the tricks are. Okay, and lastly we have a beautiful red silicone mat, which is fantastic and looks very, very Valentine-y. Okay, so let's lay everything out here. We have our heart molds, picture frame mold, we have our big heart mold, we have our, love mold with some fairy lights, and lots of beautiful glitters, many heart-shaped things, glitter-wise, some dried flowers, 4 different micas, the final sand sample, silicone cup, 2 almost or only half full sets of artisan DIY epoxy, silicone tool, stirring spoon, a few medicine cups, and a scratch-off ticket. Hot diggity dog. I tell you what, since this is a big announcement and I need to get it up onto the channel because I really am coming up fast on the 1,000 subscriber mark, I am not going to do a project today. I will do a project in the next video, so watch for that. That'll be soon, but I'm not going to do it here now as part of this video. So remember, big 1,000 subscriber giveaway. One of the 3 prizes is the March Resin More box. Unless something goes wrong with that plan, in which case I will update you. But as of right now, that's one of the 3 prizes. Another of the 3 prizes is one of these cups, winner's choice. And a third person will win a box of 10 iridescent premium colors from Arteza acrylic paint. Okay, remember, US only for the contest, the giveaway. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and then comment below on what your favorite video of my channel has been so far. And I will close this as of February 10th. So it's going to be available for quite a while, 10 days, because today is the 31st. This won't go up for another day or 2. But you have until February 10th, and then I will put in the description below an update saying giveaway contest closed, so you'll know. And I will do the drawing. I'll do a drawing on the 11th and post the results. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate all of you very, very, very much. Thank you for watching this video with me today. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.